This exercise is called thoracic foam rolling. What you need to do first is find the bottom of your thoracic spine. So you're going to hug your ribs at your last rib, and you're going to guide your thumbs up towards your spine at an angle until you reach your spine. This is about the bottom of your thoracic spine. You won't be foam rolling lower than this spot. You'll grab your foam roller, set yourself up on your mat, and put the foam roller right at that spot you just found, keeping your butt down and your feet down. You're gonna put your hands behind your head to protect your neck. And from here, what you're gonna do is lift your butt up and roll the foam roller up towards your shoulder blades and then back down towards that spot. And you're gonna do this repeatedly for the prescribed amount of time. And when you're done, you'll put your butt down and you will be done.